I wasted 6 weeks and tested 47 different AI tools everyone said would make me money. And 42 of them were complete garbage that left me with $0 and feeling like a failure. Marcus followed every tutorial, tested tool after tool. Bank account? Still at $0. Meanwhile, YouTube gurus were flexing their income screenshots. $5,000 per month, $10,000 per month. He felt like an idiot. What was he missing? Why wasn't this working for him? Here's the truth. Nobody tells you. 90% of people trying AI side hustles fail completely. Here's what nobody tells you. 90% of people trying AI side hustles actually fail completely. Reddit communities are filled with thousands asking the same question. How does anyone actually make money? Most creators pushing these tools earn $500 per sign-up, not from actually using them. Marcus lost his 3 biggest freelance clients in 2 weeks. Rent was due in 30 days. YouTube recommended him video after video, promising easy money with trending AI tools and 0 investment required. He spent 6 full weeks testing 47 different tools, following tutorials step by step, obsessively. Dashboard after dashboard showed the same number, $0, 0 cents, absolutely nothing to show for it. Meanwhile, YouTube comments were full of people claiming they made thousands in their first week somehow. Marcus discovered something on Reddit. 90% of people trying AI side hustles were failing just like him. The problem wasn't the tools themselves. It was that everyone was using them completely the wrong way. Most creators weren't making money from the tools. They earned $500 per affiliate sign-up instead. Marcus stopped following the promoted tools and found 3 specific ones nobody was talking about online. He used them for simple content arbitrage, taking public domain content and repurposing it with AI assistance. 6 hours later, his phone lit up with a notification he'd been waiting 6 weeks to see. $10, his first real money from AI tools, proof the method actually worked when done right. 3 months later, Marcus now earns $400 to $600 monthly, with just 2 hours of work daily. Here's exactly what Marcus did that finally worked after those 6 brutal weeks of failing. Step 1. He stopped using the heavily promoted AI tools everyone talks about completely. Instead, he found 3 specific tools with almost 0 YouTube videos or affiliate links. Step 2. Content arbitrage. He used AI to repurpose existing trending content legally. He turned viral Reddit posts into Medium articles in 15 minutes per piece total. Step 3. He published on platforms that actually pay for reads, not clicks. His first $10 came in 6 hours from just 3 articles he published. No complicated funnels, no affiliate links, no selling courses. Just content people actually wanted. Now Marcus spends 2 hours daily and makes $400 to $600 monthly consistently. The 90% who fail are using tools wrong, chasing hype instead of solving problems. I'll drop the exact 3 tools Marcus used in the description below this video. Marcus made his first $10 in 6 hours using a content arbitrage method nobody talks about. Not the thousands everyone promises, but real money he could actually withdraw and spend on groceries that week. He scaled that simple system to $400 to $600 monthly, working just 2 hours daily. According to Medium's analysis, 90% of people fail because they're using AI tools completely wrong from the start. Reddit threads are filled with thousands asking the same question. How do people actually make money with this? Most creators earn $500 per affiliate sign-up, not from the tools they're hyping to you online. Quick pause here. If this is actually helping you so far, just tap that like button real quick. It tells YouTube to show this to more people stuck in the same garbage cycle Marcus was. Here's the bonus nobody talks about. Automate content repurposing across 3 platforms simultaneously using this workflow. Marcus discovered one AI tool processes his content for all 3 in 12 minutes instead of 2 hours. This single automation added an extra $170 monthly without creating any new original content whatsoever. I'll drop the exact 3-step automation workflow in the description below, completely free, no strings attached here. If this saved you weeks of wasted effort, subscribe to Insight Tech Daily right now. Hit that bell icon and share this with someone stuck chasing garbage AI tools. Quick legal note. Results vary wildly, and most people won't make money doing this at all. I'm sharing what worked for Marcus, not guaranteeing you'll earn anything. This is educational content only.